Hey everyone, it's James from FunFoods, and today I'm going to show you how to make these marshmallow Frankenstein Oreo cookies. There's a lot of fun making these, perfect for Halloween, so keep watching and I'll show you step by step how to make these. Now the first thing we need to do to make this recipe is start out with some green candy melts. You can use white chocolate and then dye it green with food coloring. Make sure it's gel based if you do that. Start with these. We're going to melt these down in the microwave. Do it 20 to 30 seconds at a time, stirring in between until they're completely melted. Next, what I have here are these regular size marshmallows, little mini marshmallows. I have them laid out on some parchment paper here, and I'm going to use this color mist, and what it is it just colors it silver. You don't have to do this. You can actually just put them in there white like they are, or you can dip them into some silver candy melts and that will work fine. I don't happen to have any silver candy melts, so I'm using this. This is edible. It's like edible spray paint, basically. I used it in another recipe when I made my Game of Thrones throne out of chocolate. I used this to spray it to make it look silver. So all we're going to do is spray these to make them look silver. And they will fly all over the place, but maybe just roll them around in it after you spray it. That's working better than actually trying to spray them. All right, so now we're just going to let these dry. Next, what I have are some Oreo cookies. You can use regular Oreo cookies, double stuffed, it doesn't matter. Just open this up and put some of these on a cookie sheet with parchment paper. So now what we're going to do is twist off our Oreo cookies. You can leave all the filling on one side. And now our green candy melts have melted down nicely. I've also put about a teaspoon of vegetable oil in there, and what that does is that thins it out a little bit. It's very thick if you just use the candy melts, but it's really a preference thing. It makes it easier to dip them. Next, I have these giant marshmallows. These are called Campfire Marshmallows. They're really big. And what I'm going to do is dip them into this green candy melts completely. Cover them nicely. Sorry if a little bit of it doesn't get covered, because now just take it with a fork and we want to tap off the excess. Tap off as much as you can. Then we just want to take this and put it over top of one of our Oreos, and scoop it out. Oh no, don't fall. Scoop it out right onto that Oreo cookie like that. Maybe we can give ourselves some separation. Take our top, put that on. We're also going to take two of our little marshmallows that we painted silver. And of course that's edible paint. And we're going to put that on the sides right there. You may have to hold them just for a minute or two. There you go. That is the start of our Frankenstein. And we're going to do that with the rest of them. All we gotta do now is let them sit out until the candy melts have hardened up, and then we can decorate them. So after your green candy melts have hardened up, now what we're going to do is decorate these to make it look like Frankenstein's. And what I've done was I've melted down some regular chocolate and I put it in this little baggie. I'm going to cut a hole out of it and use that bag as my piping bag. Now you can also use like a gel writing paste and design it on here. I've done that before. The only downside is if you're going to put these in a bag to bring them to a party or something, the gel doesn't seem to harden up and it will smear the design. So keep that in mind if you're going to bring them somewhere to a party or something. So that's why I'm using the chocolate, because that won't happen. And once it hardens up, it's good. So let's cut a small little hole here. And the first thing I'm going to do is I have these edible eyeballs, and you can get them in any craft store or, you know, Walmart. Even a lot of grocery stores have them as well. So I'm going to put a little bit of this chocolate on the back of the eyeball and put it right there. Do the same thing with the other one. Then we need to draw his little scar that he has on the side of his head. So I'm going to draw the best I can, like 3 lines, and put one big line down it. Then we're going to give him a nice little squiggly mouth. Perfect. And that's it. That is our Frankenstein Oreo Marshmallow Oreo. I don't know what I'm going to call it yet, but it's pretty cool. Just do that with the rest of them, and that's it. Well, now it's time for the taste test. I'm going to dig into this Marshmallow Oreo Cookie Frankensteins. They're very large, so it's hard to get it all in one bite. If you can do that, I'm impressed. I might be able to. Wow. We'll try it. It may not look the best on camera, but we'll give it a shot. Well, we got the marshmallow. Got a little bit of Oreo cookie. I'm good. Thanks everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me make these Marshmallow Oreo Cookie Frankensteins. It's a lot of fun making these. Perfect for the Halloween season. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button. Also hit that big red subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. You get new videos every week. And if you hit that subscribe button, you might as well hit the bell notification so that you'll be notified when I put a new video out. And until then, I'll see you next time. I'm gonna make these Frankenstein, I can't talk. Marshmallow Oreo cookie, what the heck are they called? What am I gonna call them? I don't even know. I'm gonna dig into one of our Oreo, what are they called? I also put about a teaspoon of vanilla, or